everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color letter P like a penguin. Let's start drawing. First time I'm drawing the capital letter P. Please subscribe the channel. Then, I'm drawing a penguin. Let's start coloring. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, blue color, color, that color, If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.